What is up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to another unboxing and review. Today I'll be going over the Presto Mid Acronym collaboration. Starting with the packaging, matte black box with some glossy black details. On top, an oversized Nike logo. On the sides, smaller Nike logos throughout. Inside, that theme continues with plain white paper, but nothing plain about the shoes. Let's take a look here. Just scanning left to right, there's a lot going on. I really like the design on the cage. I like the zipper, the colors used on the upper, and the paint on the midsole. Now I'd like to take some time to talk about sizing. When Prestos first came out, they were marketed as a shoe that's as comfortable as a t-shirt, and the sizing also corresponded with t-shirt sizings, so it was a small, medium, or large, etc. These shoes, however, come only in full sizes, 7, 8, 9. My true size in Nike shoes is an 8.5. I went down with an 8, and I'm happy with the fit. Now let's get into a detailed review of the shoes, starting with the upper. Now on the back of the shoe, the whole heel is made out of a nice full grain black leather. The outside and the lining is both made out of leather. You can see that here, a little bit more on the inside. The lateral side has acronym ACRNM. On the back, you'll find a pulley attached to a metal snap that is stitched onto the heel. This connects to both zippers on the medial and lateral side. You have leather pull tabs at the top, which will help you with the zippers. On the medial side, you have acronym spelled out completely. And now let's take a look at the cage and heel counter. The heel counter is made out of a solid white TPU with the design painted over in black, while the cage on the midfoot is made out of a translucent black with the design painted over in white. The toe guard is also a translucent black with the design in white. Some nice hyperfuse overlays on the sides, nice stitched in Nike swoosh, a decent amount of padding on the inside, glossy finish to that heel counter. Taking a look at the material on the collar of the shoe, looks very breathable, interesting pattern. You have a neon overlay that goes through the whole shoe. It says acronym and has their logo on it. And let's take a look here at the toe box again. You see how stretchy and forgiving the material is, which is why I'm recommending you go down a size rather than up. Inside you'll find a white leather insole backed by a piece of foam. On the heel you'll see acronym and the Nike Air logo. The piece of leather here is very nice. It's a high quality insole for sure. Here you can get a better look on the leather to foam ratio. As you can see, Nike did not skimp us on materials, and it definitely adds to the overall quality of the shoe. Now let's take a look at the midsole, which is done mostly in white with some black hits on the Nike check and the airbag on the heel of the shoe. Moving to the outsole. The outsole's materials are very similar to what you'd find on any other Presto shoe. The forefoot and the majority of the outsole is made out of Duralon, which is a very lightweight rubber, which has been aerated to be even more cushioned, while the heel of the shoe is made out of BRS 1000, or a rubber that's infused with carbon for extra durability. And that about brings us to the end of this review. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video to support what I'm doing. Subscribe to stay notified on what's coming next. Wear what you like, not just the hype. This has been a More Than Hype unboxing and review.